Okay, ndewono, abụ m Ogochukwu Kunet Ohaya. Today we have what we call, I think we did prepositions last time before we did the Igbo phrases, some common Igbo phrases. But we're going to finish up using some words, some, Igbo words like adverb, verb, and then try to make some sentences with joining it with the preposition. And prepositions that we are capitalizing on, it has to do with na, which is like and, something that helps to join a word. So you use the preposition to join words together. So I know last time we did a few of them. We gave few examples, and then I gave you guys one word that means like 4 different things. I don't know how many of you went over the recordings to see how they're pronounced. And we're going to start with those words today so that you know the difference. So it's the word called, and I put some tone marks. If you look at the screen here, I put tone marks. Number 1, we have something called aqua. Aqua means clothes. Aqua, clothes. And you want to put the preposition there. Guess you can say aqua de ocha. The cloth is clean. The cloth is clean. Aqua de ocha. The cloth is clean. So, but first of all, we need to get the words. We gotta get the words first before we can start using the preposition to make sentences. And I will need some people to chip in here. You need to, when I ask question, if you want to try. Don't wait until I call your name. I can call names, but I would like you to, volunteer yourself to say something. Even if you don't know it, even if you think that you are not going to be able to pronounce it well, I don't want you to shy away. I want you to feel free in this class. You don't get it, then you'll be corrected. And that's why we're doing this class. If we know it, we won't be doing this class. So I need you to feel free in this class. Nobody is gonna laugh. Even if somebody is laughing, it doesn't matter. We are here to learn. We are here to learn together. So feel free to say something. The more you talk, the more you ask questions, the more you learn. So I want to see that in this class. Okay, please relax. Okay, so now the first one say aqua, which is clothes. You see the tone mark there, aqua, clothes. Then the second one, aqua, egg, aqua, egg. Then the third one says aqua, low, aqua, aqua. Both tone marks are low, means bed. Now, aqua, high pitch. Aqua means crying. Okay, means crying. Okay, so you need to know the different tones. It is very, very important. And that's where your alphabet comes in, knowing those compound words, knowing the 2-digit letters, how to pronounce them, how to pronounce the single ones. That's where the alphabet comes in. Your vowel sounds. Remember we did vowels. We have 2 groups of vowels. We have A group and E group. And the A group, when you're mentioning them, just to help you break it down, altogether we have 8 vowels. But then breaking it down so that you know which ones goes with the letters that has the tone, that has the period underneath. You put point or period underneath. In Igbo, period is called bum. It's called bum. So when I say you put bum, you know what I'm talking about, okay? And don't forget in this class, before you say something, introduce yourself. Say your name. Aha mbo or afambo Ijeoma. Or you can say, oh Ijeoma na ekwu. So this is 2 ways you can introduce yourself. Just say your name. And then we have to start using some words we already did in this class, like yes, no means mba. So you need to be using, at least gradually, we start plugging in practicing those words in this class, because very soon, at the end of this month, we're going to use at least 15% of Igbo in this class. I know I'm speaking more of English. Okay, so know the tones, know the pronunciation. We're going to move forward to do, trying to do the prepositions, trying to use it to join some words. Now, I know we did some before, so we're going to add more there. So we say something like, when you say about, the word about, okay? When you say about, when you use the word about, it's like something like banyere. You can say about means banyere, banyere, or you can also say basatara, something basara, can also be basara. So you can also say deka. Or deka, when you're trying to say something thereabout, or about, you know, so and so, about 20 people and so on. So banyere or deka, okay, you can say deka. So that's the meaning of about. Okay, if you want to make a sentence, so okay, so we want to put the preposition here, okay? You want to use the preposition to make a sentence. You can say, okay, the now, we have to use na. Or the ka. Or the ka, okay? Or you, okay, let's say in here the ka. Something like, okay, in here the ka. Now, otu, oboshi. We need to put oboshi. I need to punctuate oboshi. So we're gonna do oboshi. Okay, so oboshi. In here they can know to oboshi, like one day, okay, about a day or two, about a day or two. In here they can otu oboshi, deka na otu obochi. So we're trying to use this preposition to join it, okay? To join it. On or no here, okay? So when you say about, deka, it is about, deka, abuo, mobu, ato, like about 2 or 3, okay? Or you can say about 2 and 3. So try to know what we are doing here. Now, we're trying to say something about, okay, the 3%, about 3%. I need you to know. In here, deka, mkpụrụ atọ na abụọ, you can say that. Try to put that na to join something. When you're joining something, That's what we're talking about, preposition. Now, this is a confusion here. Some people think that there are many prepositions. No, we don't have many of them. Preposition, you use this na. In Igbo language, you use na to join words. In Igbo word, that's what we believe. That's the only preposition, even though nowadays we believe that there are so many things you can use to join words. It is true, but the original preposition word is na. You use it to join something. And if you're making a sentence, if I say, okay, somebody tell me how to make a sentence joining two words together, you can say Ifeoma and Abigail, Ifeoma and the Uchenna, okay? Ifeoma na Uchenna, okay? Ifeoma, you can say Ifeoma is cooking. Adobe is cooking. Ifeoma na esi nri. Ifeoma na esi nri. So we're going to make the sentence and then try to put it that way. So I would like somebody to, if you're about to talk, you can unmute yourself or you can raise your hand, then I unmute you if you don't know how to mute yourself. So let us use the word na esi. We're going to use verb stem here. Esi. Esi means cook. Esi means cook. Okay? Esi. All right, we're gonna use it to make a sentence, but we're going to add a preposition. So can somebody try? Just try. Before you say something, introduce yourself. I need to know who is talking. Somebody try to use it. We need to practice it in this class. Just use the preposition to use the verb stem here to make a sentence. Can somebody try? Okay, if nobody, okay. Chinelo. Chinelo. Chinelo.
Hello?
Is that Chinelo talking or somebody else?
Me, yeah.
Who?
Cello time.
Okay, Shelo Tam, I need you to say. Abum Shelo Tam.
Oh. Afum cello time.
Abum.
Album cello time.
Okay, go ahead.
Cello time na ese.
Shelo Tam na esi nri. Okay, good. Shelo Tam nri means food. Nri means Shelo Tam na esi nri. Good. So we're going to add the preposition there. Shelo Tam na. And remember, I say you can write NA or you can write N, contrast it, and it is the sentence, okay? It is the same. Shelo Tam. So let's use that one. Na. Esi nri.
Aha bụ Ngozi Mmadụabụchi.
Ngozi Mmadụabụchi, go on.
Ha nọ n'ime.
Ha nọ na ime ụlọ. I want you to add ụlọ there. That way your sentence will be complete. Ha nọ na ime ụlọ. It means, okay, let's finish Nelo's sentence. Okay, in English, it means Shielotam is cooking. Okay, now Ngozi said, ha nọ na ime ụlọ. Okay, and we all know what ha is representing. So we're gonna use ime. So Ngozi used ime to make a sentence. Ime means inside. Okay, so to make a sentence, join it with noun, preposition. Ha means there. Ha no. Na. Ime. Olo. We need to punctuate them. No. We're supposed to have a dot under the O. Ha no na ime olo. They are inside the house. Olo means house. Olo, house. Ime, inside. Ha means there. Okay. Now let's write it in English. There are inside the house. So that is a good thing to say. I love that. Okay, so any other person who wants to try to make a sentence?
Amarachi.
Amalachi, go on.
Mommy nasi aqua.
Again.
Mommy nasi aqua.
What are you trying to say? I know what to say, mommy, but tell me, what are you trying to say in English?
Mommy is cooking.
Mommy is, you say, I heard you say aqua, isn't it? Mommy is cooking egg. Is that what you were trying to say?
Yes.
Okay. Mommy is your mother, isn't it? And remember, we said mommy means ne or mama. Okay. So now we're going to let's write what she said. Let's move up a little bit. Let's put it here. Okay. Using preposition. All right, so I'm going to maximize it, don't worry. So I'm trying to make it clear for you guys. All right. Okay, so she said, my mom is cooking egg, okay, or eggs, okay? Now, what she basically said is, mama means mother or your mom, mama or ne. So now she's referring to herself, which is okay. My mom can say my mom, or you can say nem means my mother. Now the preposition now here is si aqua. You see that? Good job. Somebody wants to try? Another person? Okay. When I say, I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. I will come. But I want to use another word there because I want us to know some of the words, okay? Like when you say before. Let's use the word before. Before, okay? I'm gonna use this word before. So using before means tupu. Before is tupu. Now you can say tupu. All right, that's what it is. Before means tupu. Before I will come to your house, okay? Before I will come to your house, I will first of all visit my friend. Or just say before, the key word here is before I will come to your house. All right, now before coming to your house, I will eat. Okay, so we're trying to say here, tupu. Tupu is the word before. tupu abiam. Tupu nga me nga abia na ụlọ. We need to punctuate ụlọ. Tupu nga abia na ụlọ gị. Tupu nga abia na ụlọ gị. Aga m eri nri. Now, let's take it one by one. Tupu means before. Coming, nga, because you are referring to yourself. Before coming to your house, or before I will come to your house. Okay? Tupu nga abia na. Abia means come. Abia means come. Okay, coming. Abia means coming to your house. Bia means come. Bia means come. Abia, coming. Abia means coming to your house. Na ụlọ gị, because I'm talking to you and I'm telling you, before I will come to your house, I will eat. Agam, I will means agam. Eat means eri nri. And I broke it down one by one so that you know what I'm saying. Eri nri. Agam eri nri. Okay? Now, let's use another word. You can say, okay, tupu, okay, we say, I am here before you. You can say, I am here, or I was here before you. I was here before you. Anọ m ebe a tupu gị. Anọ m ebe a means I was here. Ebe a means here. Tupu means before. Okay? Another example. I was here before you. Okay? It means anọ m ebe a. Ebe a means here. Anọ m ebe a tupu. Ebe a supposed to have double E. It's a long vowel. Ebe a, okay? And the E, this vowel belongs to the second group. When you have a with no dot underneath, okay? O and U, they have no dots. But if it's the other group of vowels, A group of vowels have A, which is A. And we have A is deeper than A. And this I, A means I. It has dot on top and dot underneath the I. And then we have O. And this O, pay attention to the sound. It has dot underneath it. Versus the regular one that is O. It is very, very obvious that you should know from the sound O, they are not the same. Then O versus U. Okay, so this is E group of vowel. So the long vowel, eba, eba. Some people will say eba. Okay, that's the correct Igbo way to write it. But it's okay. Now that you're learning, it's okay to say it either way. It doesn't matter. Anọ m ebe a, okay? Tupu gị. See, I was here before you. Anọ m ebe a. Remember, we are using the word before. That's what we meant by tupu. The word before. Tupu. That's what we said. Tupu gị, okay? Now, we can say, let's use the plural now. Let's say we, okay? Or you can say, there, okay? They were here before us. Or they are here before us. You can say we. Don't forget your pronouns as well. You can say she, it, or he. On eba. On eba. Now we're gonna move on. We use another word. Let me get another word for you. Or maybe we can use, let's say dika, us. The word as, which is AS, as. That's the word we are using. Now, when you use this word, as means, it's like when you try, as I was saying, okay, as is deka, deka order, as it is, okay, as it is, all right? So we're gonna say deka. That's what it means in Igbo. Okay, making a sentence, you can say as it is. You can say deka order, deka order. As it is means dika order, okay? As it is means dika order, all right? Somebody want to give us example with as it is or as? Just use the keyword as, and the word we are using is as it is. I said as it is here. And then deka is the word, the meaning, enable. Anybody who wants to try? All right, let's move forward. Because
I have a question.
kedu onye na-ekwu gịnị bụ afa gị?
Aha m bụ Amarachi.
Amalachi, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ. Ask your question.
Isn't Dika about?
Huh?
Dika is about, right?
No, dika is as. Can you see the screen? Can you see my mouse moving?
Yes.
Yeah, so as, A-S, and then dika. That's the meaning of it. As it is. We have to take it as it is. You see what I'm saying? We just take it like that. Just take it as it is. Maybe I gave you something, you say, oh no, this is not good. So it's just as it is. Take it like that, okay? That's the meaning of it. When you want to make a sentence and then you have as there, that's what it is. Now, I'm gonna give you some words. And when I say these words, pronounce them and then tell you the meaning of it in Igbo. Your homework, I'll give you guys just few, is to go home and use them to make sentences. Knowing the meaning, just make up something. Short sentences. It's going to be just short sentences. You don't know it, that's no problem, but try. I want to see you try something. Use those words, okay? Use them, okay? You can ask me a question as well. Now, let's do another word here. We have against, all right? Against. All right, against is against means banyere, okay. Banyere, or you can say akwadogi. It's a long word. Akwadogi. You are not in support of this. You are against this. Akwadogi ihe. I'm not in support of this. Akwadogi ihe ị na-ekwu. Akwadogi ihe ị na-ekwu. I am not in support of what you are preaching. You see, I am not in support of what you are saying. Akwadogi ihe banyere ya. So these are ways, but use whichever one you are comfortable with. But the words against banyere, or you can say Akwadogi. A in syllables, when you break it in syllables, you can say akwadogi. Then you can pronounce it together. Akwadogi. Okay? Now we do another word. We can say below. Below means in Igbo okpuru. Okpuru. You can say na okpuru. Na okpuru. Okay? It is below the lantern. It is below the table there. It is just under. Under is where that no. When you say okpuru, below, under something. Okay? No okpuru. Okpuru is below. When you say also below, you can say under as well. Na okpuru oche, under the table. You can say under the table. Okay? Now, another word. Make sure you use this to make sentence. Just try your best. At least pick 4 or 5 out of these words to make a sentence. Okay? Now we have something called from. From means see. Where are you from? Ebe ka isi. Ebe ka isi. Where are you from? Ebe ka isi. Okay. I can make a sentence for that one, no problem. Where are you from? Or where are you coming from? Okay. Where are you coming from? It's a question. It means ebe ka isi. Ebe ka isi. Okay. Ebe ka isi. The E is referring to you. So don't get confused. I'm going to differentiate it now. Ebe ka isi. Because si means from. Si is from. Ebe ka isi. Okay? Ebe ka isi. So know that it's different from. When I put it together, I wouldn't know that it applies to you. E is you. Ebe ka isi because it's a direct question. Okay? Okay, now we have another word. In front. In front means n'ihu. The sentence as na. Don't get confused. Na ihu. It means in front. Na ihu. Some dialects say na iru, but the Igbo, Central Igbo is na ihu. Okay, na ihu. Now, we can say in. This is kind of form of forming your vocabularies as well. In is ime. Ime. Okay. Some people can say na ime. That's in. Go inside. Na ime olo. Ime is in. In. Ime. It is inside. Ono n'ime. It is inside. She is inside. Ono na ime. Okay. Ono na ime. Okay. So let's go on. Maybe one more word and then I give you a chance to ask question. Next means ozo. Ozo. Supposed to put some point, punctuate it. Ozo. Anybody with any question? I don't want to load so much on you, but I need you to get this because I need you to use these words. From number, in fact, number 3 to number, let me make it 10. Can make it 10. Just use it, try your best. Just try your best. Ọzọ, we have to punctuate it. Ọzọ means next. You can say another person. Another person means onye ọzọ. Onye ọzọ. So don't forget, ọzọ means another. Ọzọ means next. Another person. Onye ọzọ, next person, next person. So that's basically what it is. Okay, let's say one more time. For. For is maka. I am doing this for you. Ana m eme ihe a maka gị. I am doing this for you. Ana m eme ihe a maka gị. So that's it. And we're going to stop here today. Learn these words. Know it. If you can use these words at home and do the homework, make short sentences and send to me. Let me see how you're going to do it. If you don't get it, I'll correct you, okay? So that will be it for today. Any questions?